Hi everyone, welcome back to Coding and Creating. Today we're going to be looking at our first video application. It's a great app from Apple. It's called Clips. It runs on the iPhone and on iPad. You can see it on the little preview screens, all some of the neat effects that can be created using this program. Let's dive right into it and see what it does. So the first thing about this program is that it shoots video that's in a square shape, a square format. It's great for looking at on mobile devices and on social media and things like that. It's meant to do just quick, on-the-fly videos. It doesn't do everything that maybe a program like iMovie would do, but what it does really well, and it makes it super easy. To record your videos, you click on the red button at the bottom of the screen, you hold the button in, and now it's recording me, and it's creating the clip. I let go of the red button, and it stops recording. Here, I'll hit play, and you can see what it looks like. And you hold the button in, and now it's recording me, and it's creating the clip. So I've got that video clip. Another way to do it is to swipe up on the red button, and it will stay recording. So I swiped up on that red button. I just went like this, swiped up, and now it's staying on. I'll press the square, and now it's back to normal. So here's that clip. Recording. So I swiped up on that red button. All right, perfect. Now if you select any one of the clips, you'll see this array of different effects. There's live titles. So what it's doing is it's trying to guess what I was saying, and then you can choose whether you want the titles to be at the bottom of the clip or not. If I go to my first one here, let's see if it did a good job. It says you can hold the button, yeah. So if we go here to the style and you press play, and you hold the button in, and now it's recording me and it's creating the clip. I like recording. So that's called live titles. Another thing you can do is you can go to effects. There's different ones. There's like filters, so you can check out one that you like. Here's one filter. Let's see what that looks like. So I swiped up on that red button. I just went like this. It looks like I'm on some sort of old TV. But you can try different ones. You can see if you want it to be any particular one. There's also different stickers and things. So I could say, let's do this. Or I could type whatever I wanted, and then once you're done typing, you can resize it and move it into a new spot. Let's see what that's looking like. So I swiped up on that red button. I just went like this, swiped up. All right. And another thing that you can do is you can add stickers. So I can click on a nice little fan like this, and it will animate the cool stickers too. And now it's staying on. I'll press, yeah. And let's see, then there's also different emojis that you can add. I can put it on my face there. This is really looking interesting, isn't it? And you hold the button in, and now it's recording me, and it's, all right. And let's see, you can mute the clips, you can delete them. You can go to trim your clips, and you can split them into pieces. So here's how splitting might be useful. And you hold the button in, and now it's recording me, and it's creating the clip. Okay, so that's that first clip that I just recorded. Let's say, and you hold the button in, let's say at that point I wanted to add an effect. What I can do is hit the split button, and I can move this playhead exactly where I want, and say in the right hand corner, say split. So now it took that first clip and it divided it in half, and then I could maybe have something appear, like here's a little thumbs up that appears right at that point in the video. And you hold the button in, and now it's recording me. See how that thumbs up came up right after I put the video in. You can also duplicate the clip if you want another copy of it, or you can save the clip into your photo library. Let's see, I'm going to hit done in the upper left corner, and now I'm back to my main camera, and just to the right of the word camera it says library. If I click on library, it's going to bring up my photos. So I can choose a photo and I can just hold the button in. Now it's recording that, and it's added it to my movie. And now it's recording, so you can see it's in my movie. I'm going to go back to library. Another thing you can do is maybe you could zoom in on a picture, and you can press record, and as you move over you can maybe pinch and zoom. You can pan across, and here's what that would look like. And as you move over you can maybe pinch and zoom. You can pan, and it recorded my voice as I was moving that picture around, so that's kind of neat. I'm going to click done in the upper left, and I'll go to the next one, which is posters. These are how you put in different types of titles. Some of them you can change the titles, some of them you can't. Let's say we want this stay on target one. I can hold in the record button for as long as I want to have that on the screen. It's recording my voice, and here it is. Record button. For as long as I want to have that on the screen, it's recording my voice. All right, now if I don't want this to have vocals, I can mute that. And so you can see now it doesn't have sound associated with it. All right, now I'm going to go back to the camera so you can see me. So the final thing that we'll want to check out is how to add music. So in the upper right corner, right up there in the upper right, if you click on the music icon, you can go to soundtracks, and you'll see all of these different soundtracks. You can click on one and it will download it if it's not already downloaded, and just to the right of it you'll see a red check mark. That means it's going to be a part of my movie. And I'll hit done, and now watch what happens. You hold the button in, and now it's recording me, and it's creating. You can hear the music in the background. So I swiped up, and what I can do is, if you go to a particular clip and you mute it, and you hold the button in, notice how the music got louder? Recording. So I swiped up on that red button. Quieter. So if you mute a clip, the music then just automatically gets louder if there's no vocal track or audio track to the video clip that you have. Then the music's just going to get bigger, but the music will get quieter, so people can hear your voice in the video if that's in your movie. Let's see. One other thing is, if you want to be able to use the other camera, if I flip it around, there's up at the top, there's a camera. It's right up here, that round button that flips the camera around. So if you want to see what's on the other side, that's how you do that. And finally, in the upper left hand corner, right up this way, okay, that's where you go to your gallery. Okay, so if I tap on that, you can see you can create new ones. If you click on this little three dots in the upper right hand corner, that's the options menu, and you can see that you can duplicate things, rename them, and so on. So your mission today is to create a 30 to 60 second video to promote a positive message to the world, or make someone smile. So there's lots of different ideas. You could do one on pressing pause, E plus R equals O. You could tell some fun jokes. If you need some jokes, you could ask Siri for some jokes. Those are always fun things. You know, just being kind to yourself, am I spirit, a funny skit, being optimistic. Here's some more. You can see, just look through the list and see some of your favorite things. Am I strong might be a fun one to make about, or so you could sing a song or make a music video. But you can, as long as it's a positive message, you can, of course, come up with your own idea for your video. If you don't have an iPhone or an iPad, you can use any type of device that you want to record your video at home. If you're even using a Chromebook, It has a webcam and a camera app that you could do some recording on as well. So have fun making your 30 to 60 second, actually if you want to make it 2 or 3 minutes too, just a few minute video for something that's positive and fun in the world.